Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It is your host Nick, and on this video I'm going to show you how to program any portable radio that you have with CHIRP the easy way. Let's take a look. So to better understand what we're looking at here, this is a free open source software that anybody can download for free, and it's designed to help you make the process easy when programming a VHF radio, a GMRS or an FRS, or even commercial transceivers. It works both on Linux, on Mac OS, and of course on Windows. So when you click on the website chirpmyradio.com, as you can see here on the picture, you will see the website looks like this, and it tells you all about it. And over here, see where it says "Get It." This is where you can download the program. What I forgot to mention is you see the software how it looks like. You need this cord. You need to buy this cord first. I don't know if you have one. You can pick up one from the Hamfest, or if you don't have one, you can go to teedradio.com and buy it for $1.99. $1.99. It's the exact same cord. It says Baofeng on one side. So speaker mic, plug here to USB. Really simple. Okay, $1.99 on the TED Radio website. I'll put the link on the description below. So this is how the program looks like when you open it for the first time. It will say "Welcome to CHIRP." Get started by either opening a file from your menu or downloading a radio file. So let's take a look. Okay, so let's pick this radio, for example. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and plug in the, we're gonna plug in here, make sure that this goes in nice, and then we're gonna plug the other side onto the computer. Okay, let's get started. So this is how the program looks like. First thing we wanna do is we're gonna click where it says radio, and we're gonna select download from radio. Okay, we're gonna click on that. Now here is our port connection. If you open yours and this one is blank, just click on the drop down menu and you should be able to see the USB serial port. Okay, if not, you can click here that says help me, and you will get instructions. Over here we can select our radio. This program can work on Yaesu, Woksun, Zaston, um, TID radios, of course, Retivis, Ratel, Radio Oddity, Quansheng, Midland radios. What else? Some of the Kenwood radios, ICOM radios, Anytone, Anyseku, Baofeng, CRT, Alinco. Some of them you cannot see up here. Indec radios, and so on and so forth. So we're going to click on the TID radio, and down here we're going to select our model. Our model is the TD-H3 radio, GMRS and ham, and we're going to go ahead and click OK. This will prompt us to say, hey, make sure the radio is turned on, all the connections are firmly connected, and ensure that the radio is on a channel with no activity. We're going to go ahead and click OK and look at the progress bar. It's cloning, it's copying everything that we have on the radio on a images file here on this program. So first things first, if you want to reuse those memories, you can go ahead and highlight one and then press and hold shift arrow down. Sorry, I didn't do it. So here, so press and hold shift arrow down, and this way you can copy all of them and then make an Excel file, and you can save them like this. Okay, so if you want to use them in the future, That's one thing. The second thing is, see the extension file here that says .img. So this is an image file. This image file is not the same as like the .iso files, .iso image file, the one that you can burn on a DVD and then go in on a computer and install a program. No, this is a different file. Okay, that's one thing. The second thing is, this file, we can go ahead and edit it and save it, but we cannot recreate this file. So for example, this memory here, let's say I'm out of range or I don't want to listen to these people. I can go here, right click and say delete this memory. Okay. And yeah, or I can go here and say, you know what, I cannot hear, I can never pick up this receiver. Let me go ahead and delete this memory, or I don't want to deal with these people anymore, delete this memory. Or I can go here and say, instead of 145, 185, I can make this, because the person that had the receiver changed the frequency and now they are on 75. Okay, whatever changes I make here, I can go here where it says radio and I can say upload to radio, and these frequencies now will go will upload into the radio. Okay, but let's say you haven't made any changes here, you saved this file, and let's say you're moving to another state, for example. Okay, so what do you do there if you don't know the frequencies of all the repeaters? So you click on radio and you click where it says query source. The first option here is radioreference.com, which I believe you need to have an account with them as a licensed ham radio operator. But the other one is the repeater book. So when you select the repeater book, you can select your country. For example, now I'm going to use United States. Here I can select, do I want amateur receivers or GMRS receivers, right? And then here I can select my state. So let's say these memories here, when you are in Nebraska and now you're moving to New York, okay? These are your options. Another option that you need to look to make sure you have selected is here to say only certain bands. So you click on this one, and because we are using a 2-meter radio, a VHF UHF radio, you're going to go ahead and select 2-meter band and 70 centimeter band. You don't need anything else, right? It's just a VHF UHF radio. And then on the modes, you can click here and say FM, because your radio is only using the FM mode, right? And then down here, limit the use to open repeaters only. You don't want to load your radio with repeaters that they're down, right? That makes sense. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And boom, there is another tab now. This was our original tab. We want to leave this untouched. Okay, and then these are all the repeaters in that area. I forgot which state I selected. But look now, this one has 416 repeaters. So because it's a vast area, right? So I don't know how you're going to do this. This specific radio can only take up to 199 memories. So what are we doing here now? You can go ahead again and copy paste it and save this into an Excel file and keep it for future reference if you don't want to go in and out all the time. But here, as you can, there's another problem that we have here, the memory number 0. No radios have a 0 as a memory, right? So you can go here and say copy and go down here on the bottom and add it. Can I add? I can add. Yeah, I can add it, but the way I have to do it is I have to copy all these files, open it on a new, open on an Excel file, save it there, and then copy everything again and cover. Anyway, so anyway, you cannot have 400 memories, so we're just gonna start with this one just to demonstrate. You press and hold. You highlight the first one, so you press and hold Shift and then arrow down shift and arrow down until you reach 199, because again, this is what our radio can do. Okay. So now once you highlighted your memories, you're going to click Control and C. Control and C will copy all these frequencies. You come here on the original file, you click on the first one, shift arrow down to, to pick all of them. Okay. 199, and then Control V to paste it. And then it says, do you want to overwrite? Yes. Some memories are incompatible with this radio. No more space or something like that. Okay, so since you're here and you made all these changes, what you can do now is go up here where it says radio and click to upload to radio. Are you ready? This is our port. This is our radio. I'm going to hit OK. Again, make sure all your connections are OK. Boom. And now it's loading all these frequencies into the radio. And that's it. It's done. You don't need to do anything else. Just like that. I don't know how you're going to deal with so many memories if you're in an area. What I suggest you can do is you can start scanning and or do a little bit of a research. And let's say more specific, let's say in your town, which repeaters are close by. And then you can copy and paste it and come here and edit and remove the ones that you cannot reach from where you are. And there you have it, guys. The CHIRP programming software, the easy way. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed it too. It's super easy to do it. This is the website up here, chirpmyradio.com. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. And I will see you on the next one, 73.